We're here to answer all your questions about blood donation. Did you know? You can save lives without being a doctor or a soldier. Yes, you heard it right. If you are in the age group of 18 to 60 years and weigh 45 kgs or above, then you can save lives.
You don't have to do something great to save lives. All you need to do is donate blood.
1 unit of blood that you donate can save up to 3 lives. Different components of your blood will help to save 3 different lives. If blood could have been manufactured in labs, then nobody would ask you to donate. You might ask, what is the need of blood transfusion? So here are some facts for you.
Blood transfusion is needed after a high amount of blood loss caused by an injury or a surgery. Some illnesses can make it difficult for a body to produce healthy blood. In such cases, the patient requires a blood transfusion therapy.
Some of such illnesses are anemia, cancer, hemophilia, kidney disease, liver disease, sickle cell disease, and many more.
Every year, around 10,000 children are born in India suffering from thalassemia. 99% of these children die before teenage because of deficiency of blood.
You can save these people. Now, if you are thinking, why should I donate blood? What about my health? Then here's something for you. Blood donation is safe for healthy adults and there is no risk of contracting disease.
In fact, donating blood does not only benefit others but also yourself. Health benefits of donating blood include good health and reduced risk of cancer and hemochromatosis.
It helps in reducing the risk of damage to liver and pancreas. Donating blood may also help in improving cardiovascular health and reducing obesity.
So, what is your reason for not donating blood now?
Let us make you familiar with the process of blood donation. We will tell you everything that you will experience after going to a blood donation center.
During pre-donation screening, a blood bank employee will ask you some questions about your health, lifestyle, and disease risk factors. All this information is confidential.
Next, an employee will perform a short health exam, taking your pulse, temperature, and blood pressure. A drop of blood from your finger will also be tested to ensure that your blood iron level is sufficient for you to donate.
Once the pre-donation screening is finished, you will proceed to a donor bed where your arm will be cleaned with an antiseptic and a professional will use a blood donation kit to draw blood from a vein in your arm. During the donation process, you will donate 1 unit of blood. This will take about 6 to 10 minutes.
Following your donation, you must have refreshments and rest until you feel strong enough to leave. After donating, it is recommended that you increase your fluid intake, avoid strenuous physical exertion, and eat well-balanced meal for the next 24 hours.
That's it. There is nothing to worry about.
You must wait at least 8 weeks between donations of whole blood and 16 weeks between power red donations. Platelet donors may donate every 7 days up to 24 times per year.
The same way we deposit money in the bank so that we can use it whenever required, we should also deposit blood in the blood banks so that it can be used to save a life when required. Donate blood, save life. If you liked our video, please donate blood more often and motivate others to do the same. Thank you.